I have logged into Snake1 server as root user. This server is the first node of a 2-node Oracle RAC. I have already installed and configured Oracle 12c Release 1 grid infrastructure on this 2-node cluster. In this session, we will take a look at how to install Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software and create Oracle database on a 2-node Oracle RAC. Process for installation of RDBMS software and creating Oracle database is very similar on a standalone server or on Oracle real application clusters. First, let us perform basic system readiness check for Oracle RDBMS software installation. Now, let us review our operating system groups, which are required for Oracle RDBMS software installation. O install group is the Oracle inventory group. Users in this group are privileged to install and upgrade Oracle binaries. DBA group will get sysdba privilege. Users in this group will get full administration privileges to manage databases. OPA group will get sysopa privilege. Users in this group can start up and shut down database instances. ASM RDBMS group will get sysdba privilege for ASM. Users in this group will get full administration privileges to manage ASM instances. Backup DBA group will get sysbackup privilege. Users in this group can perform database backup and recovery operations. DGDBA group will get sysdg privilege. Users in this group can perform data guard administration. KMDBA group will get syskm privilege. Users in this group can perform encryption key management operations. Sysbackup, sysdg, and syskm are new privileges introduced with Oracle 12c. As you can see here, operating system user, Oracle, exists, and O install group is assigned as primary group for Oracle user. DBA, OPA, ASM RDBMS, Backup DBA, DGDBA, and KMDBA groups are assigned as secondary groups for Oracle user. Now, let us review folders required for Oracle RDBMS software installation. We will use this folder for Oracle inventory. We will use this folder as Oracle base. This folder will store RDBMS related diagnostic logs and administrative logs. This folder will also store scripts related to databases. By default, error data and fast recovery area will also be stored in this folder for non-ASM databases. We will use this folder as Oracle Home. This folder will store all files required for Oracle RDBMS software. According to optimal flexible architecture, Oracle Home must be placed under Oracle Base for Oracle RDBMS software. Both Oracle Base and Oracle Home folders are owned by Oracle User and O Install Group. On this server, we have completed basic system readiness check for Oracle RDBMS software installation. We have reviewed operating system groups and users required for Oracle RDBMS software installation. We have reviewed the folders required for Oracle RDBMS software installation. We have to complete all these steps on each node in our cluster. I have logged into Snake 1 server as Oracle user. I have already downloaded and extracted Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software. Now, I will run installer to start installation of Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software. This is the Configure Security Updates screen. We can provide email address here to receive information about security issues. If we wish to receive security updates via My Oracle Support, then we have to provide our My Oracle Support credentials here. I will choose not to receive any such security-related emails. This will show a warning message when we continue with this installation. I will ignore this warning message and I will continue. This screen provides options for software updates. We have 3 options on this screen. We can provide My Oracle Support credentials and installer will download software updates for this installation. Another option is to download updates manually before starting the installation and provide the update file's location here to the installer. I have selected an option to skip software updates for this installation. This screen provides options for installation. We have 3 options on this screen. Create and configure a database. This option will install RDBMS software and then creates a database. Upgrade an existing database. This option will install RDBMS software and then upgrades any existing databases. I have selected an option to install RDBMS software. This option will not create a database during this installation. This screen provides options for grid installation type. We have 3 options on this screen. Single instance database installation. This option will install RDBMS software on current server only. Oracle RAC 1 Note database installation. This option will install RDBMS software with Oracle RAC 1 Note configuration. I have selected Oracle RAC database installation option. This option will install RDBMS software on all nodes of this cluster. This is the cluster node selection screen. By default, all nodes in the cluster are selected. Changes to this list is required only when configuring Oracle RAC 1. Now, we will establish passwordless login between servers using SSH connectivity option. I will provide Oracle user password and installer will configure passwordless login between servers. Installer has successfully established passwordless secure shell connectivity between cluster nodes for Oracle user. This is the product language selection screen. By default, English language is selected. This is the Database Edition selection screen. We have two options on this screen. Option to install Standard Edition software. I have selected an option to install Enterprise Edition software. This is the Installation Location selection screen. I will use this folder as Oracle Base. This folder will store RDBMS related diagnostic logs and administrative logs. This folder will also store scripts related to databases. By default, error data and fast recovery area will also be stored in this folder for non-ASM databases. I will use this folder as Oracle Home. This folder will store all files required for Oracle RDBMS software. According to optimal flexible architecture, Oracle Home must be placed under Oracle Base for Oracle RDBMS software. This is the Operating System Groups selection screen. As you can see here, DBA Group will be used as Oracle Database Administrator Group. OPA Group will be used as Oracle Database Operator Group. Backup DBA Group will be used as Oracle Database Backup and Recovery Group. DGDBA Group will be used as Oracle Data Guard Administrative Group. KMDBA Group will be used as Oracle Encryption Key Management Administrative Group. Because I have pre-created these operating system groups, installer has selected them by default. Installer is performing prerequisite checks. Installer has found an issue with scan configuration. Detailed failure messages are available via this message area or by clicking on More Details link. It is not suggested to ignore failures, but I have selected an option to ignore all failures using this checkbox. I will ignore this warning and continue. This is the installer summary screen. Here, we can review all the selected options for this installation. I will save all the selected options for this installation into a response file. Clicking on this Install button will start Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software installation. During this installation, RDBMS software will be installed and configured on all nodes of the cluster. Now, installer is prompting us to run root scripts. This script is available in Oracle Home folder. Now, using root privileges, I will run root.sh script on all nodes of this cluster. Installation of Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software is successful. Now, I will close the installer. This is the installation log file. Now, let us create a database using Database Configuration Assistant DBCA. This is the Database Operation selection screen. I have selected Create Database option. I have selected Advanced Mode option. By default, DBCA have selected Database Type as Real Application Clusters Database. I have changed configuration type to Admin Managed. I have selected General Purpose or Transaction Processing Database Type. This database template includes pre-created data files. I have specified RACs as my database name and Oracle System Identifier. I have selected to create an empty container database. I have selected to create this database on both Oracle RAC nodes. I have selected to configure Enterprise Manager Database Express. I have also selected to run cluster verification utility checks periodically. I have not selected to register this database with Enterprise Manager, Cloud Control. We can specify password for sys, system, and DBSNAP, database admin users. Even though it is not suggested to use same password for all database admin users, for this database, I have selected to use same password for these user accounts. I have got a warning message because of the password I have provided is not strong enough. I will ignore this warning and continue. I have selected ASM Data Disk Group to store database data files. By default, Oracle Managed Files option is selected. I have selected to use ASM FRA Disk Group for fast recovery area with FRA size set to 8 GB. I have selected to enable archiving for this database. I will not configure database vault and label security options for this database. I have selected typical settings for database memory and also enabled automatic memory management option. I will review DB block size and processes. I will review database character sets. I will review connection mode options. By default, Create Database option is selected. I have selected to generate database creation scripts. Now, DBCA is performing prerequisite checks. We can review all selected options for this database creation on this Create Database summary screen. DBCA has generated database creation scripts. Now, Database Configuration Assistant will create Oracle 12c container database on this 2-node Oracle Real Application Cluster. DBCA has completed creating RAC's database. This is the server parameter file. This is the Enterprise Manager Database Express URL. Now, I will close DBCA. As you can see here, RAC1 database instance is up and running. This is the System Monitor background process for RAC1 database. I will edit etc error tag file and change RACs to RAC1. Using error env script, I will set up Oracle environment variables. I will connect to database instance using SQL plus assist DBA. I will query hostname, instance name, and instance status from $instance view. As you can see here, RAC1 database instance is running on Snake1 server. RAC2 database instance is running on Snake2 server. In this session, I have installed Oracle 12c Release 1 RDBMS software on a 2-node Oracle Real Application Cluster. I have also created Oracle 12c Container Database using Database Configuration Assistant DBCA. Note that process for installation of RDBMS software and creating Oracle database is very similar on a standalone server or on Oracle Real Application Clusters.